Hello everyone, welcome to the Logisticom 2018. On behalf of the organizers, my name is Tian, and I am here today to show you a new technology that helps a company in its warehouse process.
Giao hàng nhanh is a sub-company of S-Commerce, which operates truck transportation, warehouse fulfillment, and also provides last-mile delivery (COD) services at 63 cities. Besides main clients, which are e-commerce companies, GHN works with more than 36,000 small and medium corporations and individual customers.
In recent years, GHN has applied many modern technologies, and PDA is one of them. I'm holding in my hand a PDA, or a portable data assistant scanner. They are handhelds which are capable of connecting to warehouse or inventory management systems with real-time visibility and interaction.
PDA uses the order fulfillment system. Picking, put away, and cycle count is three key processes applying PDA technology. Now let's take a look at the picking process. Based on the time that the order needed to be fulfilled and the delivery location, the system will divide orders into different priorities. It helps the picker knows what is in the order, where it is, and how many to pick. The picking process ends when products are brought to packaging station. At this stage, clients can ask GHN to attach relevant items or papers to their package. Before the PDA implementation, GHN pickers had to do everything by paper and pen. Sometimes they found the wrong product location or checked the wrong category on paper. The process is time-consuming, which affects the overall productivity. Thanks to the PDA, GHN has received many impressive results. Based on the types of products, the picking and put-away process have improved 15% and 10% respectively. In the end, the cycle count efficiency raised by 40% in performance.
Làm việc với PDA thì thấy thoải mái, dễ dàng hơn. So với ngày xưa là làm bằng giấy thì tránh mất mát giấy, lạc hàng. Trong 1-2 ngày đầu thì gặp khó khăn để làm quen. Thì trong 1-2 ngày đó thì sẽ gặp khó khăn, gặp những lỗi nhỏ.
Khi sử dụng cái máy PDA này thì giao nhanh hy vọng là sẽ có 3 cái lợi ích cho khách hàng. Cái đầu tiên là về tốc độ, mình sẽ đẩy được nhanh hơn các cái tiến độ xử lý đơn hàng trong kho. Cái thứ hai là về độ chính xác, khách hàng thông qua cái data được capture trong các device này sẽ nắm được toàn trình cái tiến độ của họ. Và thứ ba là về chi phí. Với cái việc áp dụng PDA thì năng suất của nhân viên kho sẽ tăng lên và mình hy vọng sẽ áp dụng được cái cost saving đó cho khách hàng. Tổng quan thì đây là một cái bước đầu tiên trong hành trình dài để automate các hoạt động warehouse.
All in all, with the application of PDA, GHN can not only minimize error and working time, but also improve customer satisfaction level, which implies more loyal clients and higher revenue in the long term. Besides, PDA assists to assess employees' performance more precisely, thus enhancing workforce morale via the bonus policy based on their KPI. Last but not least, as long as GHN is well updated on technology, they can reinforce their active image and grow further in the industry.
What do you think about our warehouse tour? We hope that we have provided you enough information for your first challenge and widen your knowledge in logistics and supply chain management industry, especially in warehouse and its innovation. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye and see you all again in the Logisticom 2018.